Starting a business in 2025 is incredibly tough, and especially if you sell anything online. You know how hard it can be to find good items and suppliers you can trust. The time we spend looking at different sites, the simple keyword, the study, and a lot of emails back and forth, it's a mess. And it is also one of the leading causes why people never getting started. They fall into analysis paralysis even finding the high quality product they wanted to start, and then when it's come to the full business plan, they completely falls out and never get started. But this tool is just a game changer. Let me explain. Accio is the world's first AI-powered sourcing engine. It combines professional B2B knowledge, AI-guided search features, and global supply networks to give you not only results but also choices from associated suppliers that are tailored to your exact needs. And now you want to start a business, but I have no idea where to start. Google, Amazon, the internet is full of overwhelming, repetitive, and often meaningless content, making it different to concentrate on filtering out really important content. Accio can not only help you save time but also significantly improve your work efficiency, allowing you to focus on truly valuable content, thereby achieving a more focused and efficient workflow. Whether you are an e-commerce seller, retailer, wholesaler, brand owner, startup, or procurement expert, I believe Accio will surprise you. And the best thing is that you can now try Accio for free. I have put a link in the description, so after watching this tutorial, don't forget to test it out. Let me show you how to use it. So let's say I want to wholesale some pet supplies for my store, but I don't know how to choose. So I will open Accio and make a simple request. In the search bar, search for pet living products trending in 2025. Accio has exciting new features, business research, trending insights, spot emerging trends earlier than anyone else. Accio has global data sources combined, Amazon rankings, Google trends, social media hot picks, and Accio exclusive B2B industry database cut through market noise and spot emerging trends earlier than anyone else. We can see that the search results first understand the market overview, and the Google trend analysis section generates an intuitive table for analysis. And you can use it for virtually anything. For example, is it worthwhile creating a retro gadget brand for Generation Z? Alternatively, what are the fastest rising campaigns product price under $25? Accio provides real-time data to help you make wise and confident financial decisions. Accio will also analyze market trends, compare product demand, estimate costs, and connect you with legitimate producers. In this case, I was curious about the most popular and best-selling products on Amazon right now, as well as the highest ROI. So it showed me all of the different things and where I might find them. So these are some of the advantages and powers it possesses. You can access really complex question, and it's going to give you a really detailed answer. So I typed in a really long tail question for this one. Accio, I'm looking for an eco-friendly innovative product that's targeted towards to the Gen Z audience. The design of the product needs to fit the aesthetic of Gen Z as well as being easily recognized in the market. The material of the product needs to be environment friendly and sustainable, and it can be a high-end product line with high pricing and high profit margins. So we will go ahead and run that search right now, and you can see how businesses research is actually analyzing this information. First, it takes a look at my initial information collection, so it knows I'm looking for a Gen Z audience with high-end design and prices. And then it's taking a look at a bunch of different queries online like Accio innovative product markets, Accio high-end design trends, Accio high-end product reviews, Accio eco-friendly product trends. Accio takes a look at all this information online, so I don't have to do that. Also, Accio has AI-powered image search. The most significant feature that distinguishes AI-powered image search from traditional image search is that it can freely change colors, modify styles, find combinations, and add function through the supplement of copywriting. For example, you can upload a white mouse and enter the keywords neon light and wireless. Reimagine products, create new ideas, or customize products based on what you see. Stay competitive, find fresh suppliers, discover new products direction faster, and customize your own unique product. I need to buy litter colors with GPS tracking for my pets right away. Accio turns into an active B2B sourcing guide that points out the most important things I need to think about, like battery life, water resistant, and material quality. It even gives me a list of goods that meet all of my needs. I can narrow down the list by choosing specific needs based on my preference and the AI ideas. The super comparison is one of my favorite features. If I pick out a few items I like and Accio compare, Accio will make a list of those items along with some related ones so I can easily compare them. Accio gives me actionable advice and quick notes that highlight the pros and cons of each color. It also gives me a quick overview with key details like price, minimum order, shipping fee, delivery time, and more, so I can see all the important details at once. This saves me a lot of time that I would have to spend analyzing each option individually. From here, I can even choose multiple suppliers at once and send out price and quote requests before Accio. It used to take me hours of looking on different sites and switching between tabs just to find a few reliable suppliers. Now in minutes, I get a custom list of quality suppliers with all the information I need. Because Accio makes sourcing easy and professional, it's like having a sourcing expert on hand. It saves you time, money, and all the normal head catches. People who are smart and crafty will use AI tools like this one to become wealthy by 2025. Now I want to know more about TikTok. You may also utilize this to generate affiliate revenue. So I wanted to find out which products on TikTok shop had the highest commission affiliate rate. So when I looked through these various things, I saw that women's shapewear appeared rapidly. So you can see that there is shapewear here. Now if I wanted to start a TikTok shop selling shapewear, I could buy it for $3.69. But if all I wanted to do was generate money through affiliate marketing, I know that shapewear for women is now doing quite well on TikTok. The goal, however, is to select things that are currently popular on TikTok, and this is what we discover after a few seconds of searching. Right now, you are probably tossing stuff at the wall to see what works and what does not, because it is stuff you like. Accio eliminates the guesswork. You leverage AI and technology as well as your intelligence and ambitions to create a business for yourselves with a single click. Accio also keeps everything organized. Your recent searches, saved products, supplier chats, it's all in your dashboard, easy to access. Plus, with their mobile apps, you can run your business on the go. Check analytics, monitor pricing, talk to vendors, all from your phone. No more juggling spreadsheets or losing track of emails. Everything is smooth, fast, and centralized. So if you are serious about building a real online business, one that scales, one that actually works, then Accio is the tool you need. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's built for people like you. So stop guessing, stop wasting time, and start sourcing like a pro. And by the way, link in the description, and it's free to use. So why are you waiting for? Go and tap on the link and try it now. And if you want to know more about dropshipping, then definitely go and watch this video now. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So see you soon.